Everyone talks about trusting Allah in hardship. But what about when life is going great? When your business is growing? When you're praised? When doors open easily? That's where many people lose tawakkul. Because success feels like their own achievement. In Surah Az-Zumar, Allah warns us. When hardship touches man, he calls upon us. Then when we grant him a blessing from us, he says, I was only given it because of my knowledge. Rather, it is a trial, but most of them do not know. This is where tawakkul is truly tested. Because relying on Allah doesn't end when the problem ends. It continues in success, so your heart doesn't get drunk on pride. Look at Karen in the Quran. He was given immense wealth. But he claimed, I was given it because of my own knowledge. And Allah caused the earth to swallow him. Your wealth, your achievements, your status. They're all tests. If you trust only yourself, pride destroys you. But if you tie your camel, work hard. And still say, Alhamdulillah, it was Allah's gift. Then your success becomes a blessing, not a curse. So tawakkul means this. In hardship, you cling to Him. In success, you remain humble to Him. Comment, Alhamdulillah, everything I have is from Allah. Save this reminder so success never blinds your heart. Follow for more Quranic lessons on real tawakkul.